Let's get you breaking news coming in, and it is Mamata Banerjee reacting to the SIR exercise. In fact, rather questioning as to why is it not being carried out in other northeastern states? Why is it being carried out in such a hurried manner? What is the rush? Why no SIR in northeastern states? And she's gone on to say, I will not jolt the entire country if you hit me. Why SIR is not being conducted, say, in Manipur or in Assam? It's only happening in Bengal to punish Bengalis, is what the Chief Minister has said. Well, Shreyashri, my colleague, joining us to get us more on this. Shreyashri, of course, reiterating her stand. Time and again, she has been hitting out at the centre for that exercise, which she says is particularly targeting, the people in Bengal, calling them Bangladesh. She's taking us to what is it that she's questioned the central government in regard to this exercise, and what are her demands? What does she really want? Because she's going to now continue with that protest march that is now going to be carried out.
Well, here in West Bengal, the Trinamool Congress has taken on the BJP when it comes to SIR. Now, this SIR exercise, of course, started on the 4th of November, and it's ongoing process here in the state. The Election Commission had already done the groundwork before rolling out this exercise, and it's been conducted in the other states as well. But of course, in West Bengal, it has taken up a political color because of the elections that are scheduled early next year. So in poll-bound West Bengal, when the elections are just round the corner, the SIR exercise is being conducted. Now, the Chief Minister of West Bengal has begun her campaign for the next year's election, keeping SIR at the heart of it. Now, the SIR process is being done by the Election Commission of India. The voters list was frozen on the 28th of October when the Election Commission did the press conference. Now, the Trinamool Congress is alleging that the BJP is utilizing the ECI to de-enfranchise the voters who are valid here in West Bengal to ensure that they make inroads in the state in the assembly elections next year. On the other hand, the BJP has countered these allegations by saying that the Trinamool Congress has been, helping out infiltrators with legal documents for them to come out and vote in large numbers. So the political blame game between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, of course, has peaked. On Friday, we are expecting 10 delegation Trinamool Congress MPs to meet the Chief Election Commissioner in New Delhi, and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee ensuring that while there's a political fight also panning out on ground, there's also cases that have been filed in the Supreme Court by M.K. Stalin from Tamil Nadu, as well as the Trinamool Congress here in West Bengal. At the same time, she wants to also ensure that the people's support is not disturbed because of SIR, and the Trinamool Congress has chosen Thakurnagar, which is the headquarters of the Hindu refugees, the Matua community, which has their support divided between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, but largely has been supporting the BJP. And we have a sitting union minister from the community, Shantanu Thakur, but the Trinamool Congress has shifted its focus and has ensured that this SIR helps them to win these votes here, because the Matua community has approximately 70 seats on which it is a dominant force, and 35 of them are absolutely Matua dominated. So the number games are also being kept in mind while these protest rallies are being conducted by the Chief Minister. She has travelled all the way out of Kolkata into this bordering district of North 24 Parganas in Thakurnagar, which shares its boundary with Bangladesh. Back to you.